Hello SDS106 students. My name is Michael and I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh-Carbon Community College. As learning specialists, we are key parts of your support network here, and we are located in the Educational Support Services area of the college. Our learning specialists can help you in a large variety of areas, and we can help you improve your success here at LCCC and beyond. For instance, I often help SDS106 students with many college success skills, including note-taking, reading, and study skills that can help them be successful. Remember, you're building important skills that will help you in your liberal arts education pathway. Time management is very important in college too, and I help SDS106 students manage their schedules and their projects so they can be successful here. Finally, there are many different kinds of college challenges ahead of you, and making a successful adjustment to college can be difficult. Succeeding in college is not easy, but you can do it, and we are here to help you. So here's our contact information. Reach out to us if there's anything we can do to help you be successful here at LCCC. All the best.